Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is a speed test between the Samsung J8 and the Vivo V9. Now these are the specifications of both phones. Samsung J8 sports a Snapdragon 450 processor with Adreno 506 GPU, while the Vivo V9 sports a Snapdragon 626 processor with Adreno 506 GPU. These are the Antutu and Geekbench scores. Purely based on raw performance, V9 is better, so let's see how they actually perform. Now for the speed test, I'll open the first 12 applications on both phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster and how fast it actually is. After that, I'll be doing the memory management test, and after that's finished, I'll open the last 4 games on both phones once again as a speed test so you can see which phone opens the games faster. Now with that said, let's get on with the first speed test. In the speed test, both phones were equally fast and responsive while opening applications, so I'll call it as a tie. Now for the memory management round, I'll open the same set of apps in the reverse order to see if they are still in memory. If they are in memory, they should open in less than a second at the same place where I left them earlier. Memory management is good on both phones. Both phones were able to keep almost equal number of apps, but J8 was slightly more responsive. So you can call it as a tie, but I'll pick Samsung J8 as the winner for the memory management round. Now for the last test, I'll open the last 4 games on both phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens these games faster. For games, except for Alto, Vivo V9 was slightly more faster and responsive than the Samsung J8. So on the whole, I'll pick Vivo V9 as the winner in the speed test, and for memory management round, you can call it as a tie, but I'll pick Samsung as the winner. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What's your take on the speed test and the memory management test? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy any of these phones, use the link in the description, it really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.